Please be seated. Good evening, everyone. How are you today? And thanks so much for coming. And let's start our meditation practice first. Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Keep your back straight as much as you can. And gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, long breaths. And relax your body, relax your mind. Maybe so many thoughts going on your mind. Please leave everything behind you. We are going to spend beautiful times with your mind, with yourself. It is very important to have peace and relaxed mind. Relax your whole body and observe each part of your body and see are they relaxed. Relax and relax. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Firstly, feel yourself as your best friend. You are the best friend of yourself. That's why you are here. and wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Think, may I be filled with loving kindness. May I be feel connected and calm. May I be free from inner and outer dangers. May I be well in mind and body. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be able to find noble friends. May I be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Wish to yourself and bless to yourself. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your loved ones. Imagine your all family members. Maybe they are not close to you. Maybe they are in different places or states. But we can connect to heart. Imagine their faces individually. May my loved ones be filled with loving kindness. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be well in mind and body. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. May my loved ones be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now we can send our loving and kind thoughts towards to all the living beings. Send your loving thoughts without any discrimination. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be feel connected and calm. May they be free from inner and outer dangers. May they be able to find peaceful, healthy, and comfortable environment. If you want to change your posture, you can change it anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Now it is time to think about your difficult one. If you have any difficult people or annoying one in your life, think of them. No need to get anger. We are practicing loving thoughts right now. You can send your loving and compassionate thoughts towards to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be able to find noble friends and good advice. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. In this moment, we are developing our loving thoughts and think you are the one of the loveliest person in this world right now. Because your heart is full of love, compassion. Try to be a loving and kind person to yourself, to this world. Try to practice your loving thoughts as much as you can. Now let's practice breathing meditation. Take a few deep, long breaths and focus on your natural, ordinary breath. No need to control your breathing. Just focus your natural, ordinary breath. So many thoughts, sounds may distract you. Let them come and go. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. When the body is inhaling, that you know the body is inhaling. When the body is exhaling, that you know the body is exhaling. Not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, experiencing the joy of the present moment with the help of breathe in and breathe out. If thoughts are there, just know you are having thoughts and come back to the breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly focus on your inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you focus your inside, you can see your skillful, your beautiful, your spiritual mind. You can see your good thoughts. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts every day as much as you can. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It means you can develop your good mind. This meditation practice will help you to understand your thoughts, your mind. Now please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you, may all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Thank you so much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening everyone again, and thank you so much for being here. It is so happy to see you all. This evening I would like to share with you some thoughts about acceptance. What do you think about that word? Have you ever think about something deeply about this word? I think it is very important to think about this word. I'm always thinking about this word, and it is very helpful for me to continue my daily life. And while I was thinking this word, this topic, my mind went to last year. We all know we were having really difficult time, and things changed so fast, and everything happened unexpectedly. We never thought we are going to have something like this situation. So, but right now we are kind of fine, we are kind of okay, everything are getting better. And then I was thinking also, when I'm thinking about this pandemic, what I am believing, what I am thinking, this current situation, this pandemic also teaching us some good lessons. There's one of good lessons. There are what I am thinking. It is teaching about humanity. I have heard and I saw so many people are doing some really good kind ideas these days, and also last year, and they are helping each other, taking care of each other, and taking care of their family. And there are so many things I have heard last year and also this year, and it is very wonderful because we don't know when this current situation is going to end, and we don't know when we can stop wearing mask, and we don't know when we can travel freely. And also when my family call me, my mom and my sisters and brothers, and they are always asking me, Bante, how are you doing? How about over there? Everything okay? Everything good? They're asking. I'm telling, okay, everything good here, and I'm asking the same thing, and they are telling the same thing. Oh, we are doing good. So then what I'm thinking, everything changed so fast, and it is, if we practice acceptance, if we know about this word very deeply, I think it is so much easy to accept everything. We don't know what will happen, we don't know what will come to our life. And that's why I was thinking I want to talk about this word, because I used to talk about this topic so many times before pandemic, and I learned so many from this idea, from this word. That's why I like to share with you something about what I learned, what I know. We can think about this word so many different ways. Acceptance. Uh, One way I would like to explain about this word, when you are going to think about future, what you are think. We are thinking about our future, and when you are going to think about our future, what we do, we are making plans. What I am going to do tomorrow, next week, next month. Without plans, we can spend our day. We can continue our life. Always we are planning about next year, next month, tomorrow. And plans are important, it's wonderful. But same time, if you think about this word, if you think about acceptance, you know about your plans, but they will happen, maybe not. That's natural. So sometimes I notice, I have heard some people are having really difficult time because they are making so many plans. Suddenly everything change, and they are in really difficult time because they don't know how to manage their life. But if you know this, all the plans will happen or not, I'm ready to accept it, whatever come to my life, then your life becomes so much light, easy and free, because you know this will happen or not. Have you ever think like this? I'm curious. Have you ever think? If you think, that's great, because I am always thinking about it. I don't know what will happen, but about plans, about my future and everything, I am ready for everything, whatever going to come to my life. Also, there's another thing that we can always focus when you are going to think about future, and also what we are doing usually, we are creating stories. How we create stories, if someone tells something, or if we see something, if we hear something, or this happened because of this, and he said this because of this, then we are creating stories. Have you ever done like this? I used to do so many times. Then finally, I realized, no, this is not good for me. It is unhealthy. It makes me upset, worry, and sad. I want to stop it. So then, actually, almost 1.5 years ago, I stopped thinking like that. Now I don't. Sometimes, then right away, I'm thinking, oh, no, no, this is not good. I need to stop about creating stories. After I started to think like that, same thing happened. My life became very light and free, because I know it is not true. Otherwise, I'm just imagining and thinking about something else. I know many of my friends, they do the same thing. Sometimes I advise them, don't do this. It is not good. It is not good. It is unhealthy. But sometimes they are listening, they are not. But I know I am telling something good for them. So it is very important not creating stories. If you can practice it, it is also really great. And if you are creating stories, and if you are thinking about your plans and getting worried, it can make your life fear and worry. It is one of the big reasons to make our life fear and worry. And also, acceptance. Now you know about this word, we can think about very deeply. There are so many ideas related to this word. And there's a Buddha always explained there are 8 things that we can apply to our daily life. We call 8 worldly concerns. The first one is gain and lost. Sometimes we experience in the same thing. And next one, suffering and happiness. Sometimes we experience in both. And next one is blame and praise and blame. Third one is fame and disgrace. Those 8 ideas we call 8 worldly concerns. Sometimes we are having good days, sometimes not. Most of the times I'm asking my friends, how are you doing today? And they are telling, I'm good, I'm okay. Then I told them, don't say like that. Because that how they express that word, it is not healthy. I'm telling them, you can tell I'm awesome, I'm great. It has some good energy. When I'm telling to my friends, they ask me, how are you? I'm telling, I'm great. So I can see their appearance and their words getting changed. So that everything can change our mind, change our day. So it is very important to think about this, all the ideas and acceptance, and we need to make plans. It can continue our life, but at the same time, just think this will happen or not. And also don't create any stories. If you create, just stop it. It is not healthy. And also think about that 8 ideas. It will help you to continue your life. And please think about this everything. That's the message I want to share with you today. And thank you so much for coming. And now we, all the monks, we are going to do some blessings. And you can imagine your loved ones, your parents and your family members during the chanting. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards them. You can close your eyes. Please listen to this chant lovingly and kindly. නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස ඉතිපිසෝ විඤ්ඤාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුන්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරතේ සන්තා දේව මනුස්සා බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ස්වාක්ඛාතෝ භගවතා ධම්ම සන්දිට්ඨිකෝ අකාලිකෝ පංසිකෝ පනයිකෝ පංචං විඤ්ඤෝ හේති සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුංගලායේස භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤං ලෝකං සාති තේන සංච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමින්තු තේන සච්ච භයාවූපසමින්තු තේන සංච වජ්ජේන රෝගා උපසමින්තු තේ තණ්හං කරෝ මහාවේ මේදං කරෝ මහායසෝ සරණං කරෝ ලෝකහිතෝ දීපං කොණ්ඩඤ්ඤෝ ජනපාමංකෝ මංගලෝ පුරිසා සබෝ සුමනෝ සුමනෝදි රේවතෝ රතිවණ්ඩනෝ සෝබිතෝ ගුණ සම්පන්නෝ අනෝමදස්සේ ජනුන්තමෝ පදුමෝ නාරදෝ වරසාරති පදුමුන්තරෝ සන්තසාරෝ සුමේ අග්ග පුංගලෝ සුජාතෝ සම්බලෝකංගෝ පියදන්සේ නරං අන්තදන්සේ කාරුණිකෝ ධම්මදස්සේ තමෝනුදෝ සින්දන්තෝ අසනෝ ලෝකේ තිස්සෝ වරද පුන්සෝ වරද සම්බුන්දෝ විපාසීච අනුපමෝ සිකී සම්බ සුඛදායකෝ කකුසන්දෝ සත්තවාහෝ කෝනාගමනෝ රණං කංසපෝ සිරි සම්පන්නෝ ගෝතමෝ සක්්‍ය පුංගවෝ තේසං සච්ච සීලේන කාන්තිමෙත්ත බලේන ච තේපි ත්වං අනුරක්ඛං ආරෝග්‍යේන සුඛේන චාති සම්බේතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේ සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ මක්ඛත්තයක්ඛ භූතානං පාපංගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන හන්තු තේ සංඋපන්දවේ ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මන්ටා දේවා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටා ච දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මන්ටා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.